Around 400 students along with 20 teachers from 256 schools of Sivasagar district under the aegis of Samagra Shiksa, Sivasagar, Assam, visited ICFRE Rainforest Research Institute, Jorhat, Assam, on March 26, 2025. Sri Rajit Kumar Kalita, Head, Extension Division of the Institute, welcomed the students and teachers and briefly spoke about the Institute. Visited different laboratories and witnessed field activities such as herbarium, insectarium, botanical garden, bambusedum, Bamboo Nursery, BCC, Sri NC Das, Sri Bhuban Kachari, Sri Dibajit Niag, Sri Akshay Mishra, Mrs. Gayatri Mahanta etc. guided the students.